Hey guys, what's up? In today's video I want to share with you guys my newly created command block stuff, or powers. I'm gonna show you first how to add it in your world. First download the link in the description. Then open your files or file manager. Then open your phone storage or just go to download directly. If not, then open the storage and find download. Then press download and find abilities or your recently downloaded file. After you find it, go renamed it and remove the zip. After you remove the zip, press the abilities again. I don't know if documents show at your device, so just find something that shows APKs and press Minecraft. Press play and add your addon on your worlds or test it first. If you're gonna add it in your world, find Thiepensil and then find the behavior packs. Then press my packs and the abilities. Don't mind the missing dependencies, I forgot to put it, but it still works lol. After you add your addon, you may play or create now and test it. Please tell me if you have encountered any problem with it. This is my first addon, so I'm kinda proud. It's my first try making addon. I hope you guys enjoy it. As you can see earlier, I put number 1, means I'm gonna add more soon. Now find a spot to put it. I put it in the air cause it looks awesome. You don't need to put it in the command block if you don't want to. Just type function and then pick the abilities. I'll add more soon, but for now we only have Minato. You can also just use a button if you want to.
Fantastic.
You can also type in chat function and see the available abilities. Now let's activate it. After that, press the button that says Add Abilities. And you can also destroy the barrel to easily get the accessories it needs. Then turn on the lever to activate it. You can copy my hotbar if you want to, or create your own hotbar item positions. After that, now it's time for the tutorial of how to use the abilities of Minato. First is, if you accidentally put a lot of mark or made a mistake, you can hold the normal arrow and the mark will return back to you. And all the arrows you shot and even the arrow that have potion will have mark on them. And by the way, it also work on crossbow. Try to add multi-shot on crossbow, now it's easy to hit and also add quick recharge. Because of that, it's now 2 up. Now for the teleporting. First add a mark, then hold the netherite and press jump or space to teleport. You can also see the particles you were last time. It's over there, lol. And if you put a lot of marks, the farthest mark is where you're gonna be teleported. Here's an example. With no block above it, you will be above of that block like this. also if you put a mark that is too high, you will automatically get teleported to the safe mark if there's even one. So I recommend it to put the mark on the floor. Now you can put a fast mark on your position by just looking at the floor, holding a bow. The arrow you drop will also have mark on them, so you can teleport to that too. You won't be teleported all at once, so you don't waste marks. You can also put a mark on mobs or entity and teleport to them. If your arrow returned, that means the mark has been passed to the entity. And by holding the iron sword, you will be teleported to the entity facing it. With that, you can make many combos just like that. Let's try it in hostile mobs now. As you can see, I just run, because if I charge the bow, I will take damage from the husk. Now that I'm far away, I can shot an arrow now. Because I look down, I drop a mark, and the mark has been passed to the husk. Now I can teleport to that husk and attack it, then return to the other marked arrow safely. Here's another combo. That is all. Comment if you have any questions. I hope you guys learned something. Like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Keep safe and thank you for watching.